Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Since our last video, I received an update on a show for next weekend in Florida. I want to share with you. It's supposed to be a really big one, great vendors. Also, I want to discuss with you a little bit about something that we see more and more at shows nowadays, and that is poker chips. And it never fails, someone asks, what's the deal with that poker chip by my car? Well, let's talk about that. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.net. Okay guys, first up, a show shout out for the Model Palooza 2025. This is next weekend, October the 10th, 11th, and 12th. It's a 3-day show in Kissimmee, Florida. This is an IPMS club, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty big one. Check this out, 12,000 square foot of everything models, over 100 vendor tables, and according to the website, it is sold out. They'll be doing seminars and demos, apparently a pretty big raffle, 500 plus models on display. There's all your information. You can head over to their Facebook page or go to the IPMS website, and you'll be able to get your entry forms and all that stuff taken care of as well. Looks like it's going to be a really good show, and it says Florida's largest 3-day scale model show, and based on all that information, sounds like that'll be the case. But if you're free, if you live in North Georgia, Alabama, anywhere that you can get to Kissimmee, head on over there and show them some love. Have a great time. This may be one I'm going to have to put on my calendar down the road, because the extra time with folks is going to be a lot of fun too. Okay guys, next up, poker chips. A lot of people have asked, and at the last show in Mooresville, I had people ask me, and this happens about every show, hey, what does this mean? Something laying by their car. Well, first of all, let's talk about the chips themselves. I get mine from a company called Chip Lab. And these are just the standard. They're not the high end, and they still sound kind of like they're metal. But what these are is just something that is from the content creator or from an individual beyond the awards that the show may be putting out. Now here you see my chip. I designed it in obviously petty blue, and on one side you see it says Hobby Dude 007, the channel logo, and on the other side it says now that's cool, and there's Hippie Dude, outstanding build. And what this is just something beyond, as I said, the judging awards. It's just something from me, for example, letting you know, hey, you've got something unique that I really like. It doesn't matter what it is. If it gets my attention from across the room and I go, oh, dude, that's cool, and I've got to go over there and check it out, well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go check it out. I have been blessed to get several from different people. Each content creator or club, however they're doing it, designs their own chips. This one I got at that Mooresville show last week, and it's got the IPMS Race City, as you see. Beautiful chip. And on the other side it says outstanding work, amazing model, which I appreciate that. And this is, like I said, above and beyond anything that the awards may bring. It's just something that an individual likes. And beyond the poker chips, you've got stickers too. Matt with Matt's Models and More, what a great guy too. If you haven't checked out his channel, head over and do that. He does these stickers, and on the back it says top 10 pick Matt, and it's just his top 10 cars or models at a show. I do the same thing, but I don't do 10. I only do 4. Now you may be asking, okay, why not a top 3 or a top 5? Well, honestly, I have no clue. I remember someone when this first started, and I don't know who started it, to be honest with you, but they were all doing their top four, the four cars or four models in a show. That, and by the way, I have given these to things other than cars too at model shows. But the thing is, if it's something that I like, if it's something that inspires me, something that reminds me of something I built as a child, or something in a real hot rod that I really like, then there's a good chance I'm gonna leave them a chip, just going, hey, I really really like that, or as it says, now that's cool. And that's what it's for. It's just something from an individual. And I know there's some guys that aren't content creators that some of these chips are that. My buddy Kelly Coons, there's Model Car Archaeology. This one was by my phone booth. Rocky over at Star City Modeling got one last year for my Corvette, this year for the phone booth. It just, however you want to, again, get whatever gets your attention. And I've got these magnets as well as stickers for the channel. And I'm thinking about doing something like Matt's doing too, and maybe a couple of extras of these in addition to my chips. I'm going to try to keep mine to the top four. Again, I don't know why. I may change it to 5. I may drop it to 3. I don't know. But I always take 5 with me. And what I do personally is I give 4 to models, and I take 1 to give to a content creator for inspiring me. So when I run into a content creator that I go, hey man, I've really enjoyed and learned something or whatever, I always give a content creator, or it doesn't have to be a YouTube content creator, it can be a Facebook content creator, somebody that I've really enjoyed watching and all that stuff, then good chance they may get a chip. But that's what it's for. So when you guys see these by your car, hey, it's a compliment from someone. So, take it as that. It's a compliment that somebody really liked your work. So that's what it's all about is, hey, I enjoy this stuff. I enjoy magazines. I enjoy the real car shows. I enjoy the model shows. I just love this stuff. And I've never been to a show that I don't see something that I go, wow, I wish I'd have thought of that. That is really cool. So that's what it's all about, guys. So if you get one, hey, pat on the back. Kudos. Well, guys, that explains it. For those of you who may not know about this, or you see them at shows and don't know what it's all about, that's it. Guys, that is it. My Auto Modeler magazine came in this morning, and I am going to try to sit down, go through it real quick, and I'll do an intro, then I'll go through the magazine. We'll do that together. I'm eager to see what's in it. Always love getting these magazines. Guys, hope y'all have a great one. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys.